Hey guys, so it's Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas everyone. So I thought I'm going to do a couple of cold starts here. I'm just going to do a cold start on the two cars here in the driveway. Of course, there's my car, 1999 Pontiac Grand Am GT, and my mother's car, 2006 Chevrolet Impala. I'm going to just swap these cars. Apparently, we're going to go over to my grandparents' house for Christmas, since they're obviously not that far from here. My parents, they actually just walked all the way over there, believe it or not. And so my brother's getting ready here, so he's in the shower right now, so I figure we'll just take one car instead of just taking two. I don't know exactly how many people will be over there. It's kind of a little cold out here though. So we'll start with my car. This was last running on Thursday. Alright, we'll see how this thing starts. Turn the radio off. Started right up. Not too bad after sitting for a couple days. Pretty good. So let me move it out of the way, and then we'll do the Impala. Alright, now for the Impala. This thing was also last running on Thursday too. I believe that was the last time my mother went somewhere with it. So we'll see how it starts. This car's got 42,455,000 miles. Yep, she started right up. Boy, gotta love these 3.9 engines. Alright, so let me get this car out, so that way I can get my car put back in, because it's sitting out in the street running. Alright guys, so hope y'all enjoyed this video, and Merry Christmas.